This is where Claude Code stops being a code editor and starts being a factory. Claude thinks. n8n moves. By the end of this video, you'll have an idea in, deployed thing out pipeline that runs while you sleep. 3 parts, a trigger, a brain, a pair of hands. The trigger is whatever kicks the pipeline off. A schedule, a webhook, a row added to a Google Sheet. Doesn't matter, anything n8n can listen to. The brain is Claude Code, not a vanilla API call to Claude. The full agent running headless in non-interactive mode with access to a real file system, Git, the shell, and whatever MCP servers you wire up. It plans, it writes, it edits, it runs tests, it commits. The hands are n8n. It catches the trigger, calls Claude Code, takes the output, a finished article, a video script, a deployed app, and routes it. WordPress, YouTube, S3, Slack, Notion, whatever you publish to. The brain decides what to make. The hands take it where it needs to go. Neither one tries to do the other's job. n8n needs to call Claude Code without a human in the loop. 2 flags do that. -p for the prompt. --output format stream-json for structured output you can parse. So the command n8n runs looks like this. Claude-p, then your prompt in quotes, --output format stream-json, --max turns 20. It runs, it thinks, it writes, it hands back JSON. Done. For longer jobs, pipestedin, catbrief.txt, pipe to Claude-p with your instructions, output format stream-json. Now the brief is the input, the instructions are the system prompt, the output is the artifact. 1 critical flag, --permission -mode acceptEdits. Without it, the agent pauses and asks you to approve file edits. There is nobody to approve, you're sleeping. acceptEdits tells it to act, then report. For destructive commands, --allowedTools lets you scope what it can run. Whitelist write, edit, bash, but only certain bash commands. Don't give it rm, don't give it sudo. The simplest pipeline is 4 nodes. Trigger node, cron webhook manual, execute command node, runs Claude Code with your prompt. Code node, parses the JSON output, pulls the final artifact. Output node, WordPress, YouTube, Sheets, wherever, that's the spine. Real pipelines add branches. An if node that checks Claude's confidence. A Telegram node that pings you on failure. An HTTP node that fetches data before Claude runs. The execute command node is where the magic happens. It's a shell. Claude Code is a shell command. You can pass dynamic prompts from earlier nodes using n8n's expression syntax, double curly braces around the variable. The prompt becomes a template. When Claude finishes, n8n has a string. Parse the JSON, pluck the result field, send it onward. Let me show you the one I run. Trigger. A webhook fires when I add a row to a Notion table called Article Ideas. The row has 1 field, a topic. Execute command. Claude Code runs in a dedicated repo with a custom Claude.md that describes my voice, my style, my length targets. Prompt. Write the article for the topic in the variable topic. Save it as markdown in /articles. Commit and push. Claude clones, writes, commits, pushes. Webhook receives the push event from GitHub. n8n pulls the markdown, converts to HTML, posts to WordPress as a draft, notifies me in Slack, draft ready, here's the review URL. I open the link. Skim, publish. Total human time, 2 minutes. Total wall clock from idea to draft, about 4. If I disappear for a week, the pipeline still runs. 10 ideas in, 10 drafts waiting when I get back. That's the whole point. 3 failure modes. 1, the prompt drifts. Claude does fine the first 10 times, then produces something off. Fix, tighten your Claude.md, add examples, add anti-patterns. 2, the tool runs forever. Some job blows past max turns and gets killed mid-output. Fix, shorter prompts, more focused tasks. If a job needs 50 turns, break it into 5 jobs of 10. 3, the output is malformed. JSON parsing fails. Fix, always validate. If parsing fails, the pipeline routes to a review queue instead of publishing. Never publish unparsed output. Never, treat the pipeline like any other production system. Logs, retries, alerts. The agent is powerful, not infallible. That's the series, 5 episodes end to end. The configs from this pipeline, the Claude.md, the n8n JSON, are linked in the description. Build something with it. Show me what you make.